Welcome to the Clean Earth Collective. Here's the scourge our society is facing. So plastic discarded everywhere. Perhaps the most appalling thing I see in the Western world, well, also the Eastern world, wherever I go, cigarette butts everywhere. See? Cigarette butts everywhere. Plastic, vape, plastic. Cigarette butts. So let me show you, like, here's a vehicle parked over here right next to me, right? And obviously somebody was smoking while sitting in this vehicle, and they just discarded the cigarette butts right here. There. And this is what people do. And this is just one complex. You look at the size of this place. It's got all kinds of restaurants. There's Wendy's, Tim Hortons, there's a pub here, there's Marshall's, Tip Top, Optometry, right? So whoever owns this complex, they obviously have money, but virtually nothing dedicated to cleaning up the garbage that people dump here. So if you're making money, should you not have a responsibility to ensure that the environment that you occupy is kept clean? Because all of this disintegrates. It ends up in our water, it ends up in our soil, it ends up in our lungs. It's horrendous. So I was in China recently, and we tend to look down upon China and the West here, but if you go there, you'll find like these kinds of places. They hire like dozens of people who are out there cleaning and picking up garbage, picking up trash. It's amazing. But here in the so-called first world that we live in, none of that is going on. So anyway, I'm going to pick up whatever I can from here, but I guess what I want to say is that all this doesn't change unless we all start to first notice and then secondly say something about it.